In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate bases in Airtable. Quick copy 2026. Duplicating a base is the fastest way to reuse a setup you already trust, whether it's a project tracker, a CRM, or a content calendar. Let's walk through it clearly, start to finish. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Airtable account. Use your usual sign-in method and you'll be in within a few seconds. After you log in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This home screen shows your workspaces and, front and center, a section with your most recent bases. That recent area is the quickest place to grab the base you want to copy. Click the recent base you need to duplicate. Choose the one that has the structure you want to recreate, like the exact tables, fields, and views you rely on. Inside the base, look at the top bar. You'll see the base title at the top. Click it to open the drop-down menu for base level actions. This is where you manage things like renaming, sharing, and duplication. In that menu, click the three dots icon to reveal more options. Before you make the copy, enter the new name now so your duplicate is easy to recognize at a glance. Clear names save time later when you're switching between versions. Next, click Duplicate Base. Airtable will show a confirmation window with a few choices. Here, you can decide whether to duplicate records. Turn this on if you want all the existing rows to come over, or turn it off if you only want the structure, tables, fields, and views, without the data. You can also choose whether to duplicate comments. Keep them if the discussion context is important, or leave them out to start fresh. Airtable also notes that revision history will not be duplicated, so the new base begins with a clean change log. By default, your duplicated base will be created in the same workspace, which keeps everything organized alongside the original. When everything looks right, click Duplicate Base to confirm. Airtable will create the copy and take you right into it. From here, you can start customizing without touching the original. That's all it takes. Open Airtable, log in, pick your recent base, use the title drop-down and three dots, choose Duplicate Base, review the options, and confirm. Happy building, and enjoy the time you'll save by quick copying your best Airtable setups.